back to my channel. My name is Vidya Verma, and in this video I will be reviewing Makeup Revolution London Red Velvet palette. Okay, and so let me just show you the palette first. The palette is amazing. So normally आपको ये 950 rupees का पड़ता है if you go to Nykaa or if you go to any other website or apps. But so मैंने ये दिवाली के टाइम पे ख़रीदा था, दिवाली सेल चल रही थी, पल में ख़रीदा था. So with the foundation, the foundation that I reviewed. So with that foundation I got this and this was for 706 rupees for me because they were having some sales. And so today I will be creating this look. Okay, and using this palette, red velvet palette. I have not been trained, so I just love doing makeup. So I make mistakes here and there, so just forgive me. Okay, what I'm trying to say is this is a very easy look. Even a beginner can create this look. Okay, so if you're someone who loves doing makeup and just want to learn an easy way to do a cut crease, then guys, this is the video for you. Hey guys, so I have finished my foundation and powder, and I've used a little bit of bronzer, okay, just to give it a natural glow, and just so that I wouldn't look very scary. I did put little bit of lipstick, okay, and I did little bit of my eyebrows as well, not so much but just a little bit. So let me go ahead and start off now, as we have our base ready, so we'll get started. Makeup Revolution London, they are an amazing brand. So उनके आई शेडो पैलेट्स बहुत अफोर्डेबल भी होते हैं, and उनके आई शेडो पैलेट्स हमेशा बहुत पिगमेंटेड होता है. तो I am really excited. If you are interested to see how this palette works out, please keep on watching, and let me just go ahead and ping in then. So before I start, I completely forgot to show you the swatches of this palette. Okay, इसके shades कैसे हैं and how good this is. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. मेरा S थोड़ा समझ गए ना आप लोग? तो ठीक है, आपको first मैं कौन सा दिखाऊंगी? Let me show you the brownish kind of shade, or the coffee kind of shades they have here. So I hope you guys can see. ये वाला, it's actually transition shade, so it's not very showing on the camera, but you can still use it. And इसमें कुछ like there are some shimmer shades here. Let me show you this one. This is so pretty. Oh, कुछ ज़्यादा ही ले लिया मैंने, I think. And so let me know if you guys have already purchased this, or if you have any other palette that you really like, for your everyday look. So let me just begin without wasting any more of your time. So I'm gonna use little bit of this Swiss Beauty concealer, guys. Okay, not so much क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले थोड़ा और लगाया था. So I have this cute beauty blender sort of. I got it from Miniso. It's like really helpful to use it on eye area, because the other beauty blender that we have is like always very big, right? So अगर आप छोटे से करोगे ना तो बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है. See? So guys, first I'm using this very fluffy brush that I have. This shade right here. Okay, just to this shade right here on my this part of my eyes. So just slightly, it doesn't have to be very harsh, it's just slightly up, because this is a transition shade, so it's flatter than the brush that I was using earlier. Okay, So I am going to use this one now. And so first off, I'm going to use this shade on my crease, and then I will make it darker. Okay, so on your crease, and make sure lightly, इतना जोर से नहीं, just go around it, go around your crease and try and like take it out, like outer side, so that it becomes this. Okay, so now I am going to use, so this is the darkest shade here available, so I'm going to use this one now. Okay, यहाँ पे right, so I've made it very dark here on my crease, and I'm pulling it outwards as well here, so that I can, you know, later on it can look pretty. Okay, so it's time to cut the crease, guide, and I know it looks very difficult, but it is very easy. I'll give you this very easy way to do it. So I don't have the brush which is actually used to cut the crease and which makes it so much easier, but because I do not have that right now, we are not going to complain and we are going to use whatever we have. So I have this concealer brush wand or whatever you call it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that I do not have a lot of concealer here first thing, because you don't want all flood of concealer there. So what I do is, because मेरे आँखें थोड़े छोटे हैं, so first मैं यहाँ पे रख देती हूँ. ठीक है, तो आप भी अपने पहले लैश के ऊपर रखिए. Open your eyes. Now see, you can see there यहाँ पे जो कट बना है ना, just follow that line. Okay, follow that line. Now I am going to use this pink kind of a glitter. There is shimmer, and I'm going to use this with my finger. I'm going to put it with my finger. Now I am going to use this glitter golden kind of a shimmer shade on inside of my corner of my eyes, and I'm going to use the same golden kind of a shimmer to highlight my brow bone. Let me get this eye done as well. See you guys. Okay. Hey everyone, so this is the look that I created in the video, and I finished my other eye, this eye makeup, and I put the false lashes, the eyeliner, and little bit of mascara, and I finished off with a lipstick. Okay, so rest of the makeup मेरा पहले ही कर दिया था मैंने. So let me know guys if you like the video, and thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends as well. And if there's any other product that you want me to review, let me know. I will try my best to review more product. Okay, until next time, I hope you stay safe and take care. Ciao.